Hello, hi. So, welcome to my 28th video recording of my communication practice. On impromptu conversations, there will be impromptu topics, impromptu conversations that I do here. Mostly because I think it best when the content comes best when you don't know what you are going to talk about much, and sometimes it's coming very, it comes beautifully, and sometimes it's meh, right? So yeah, so this is something I have started on almost at the start of this year, and it's almost December, and I'm super proud that I'm still doing it, and. Yeah, my inner voice is saying that you must have been super proud when you are doing it almost daily, but I am taking longer breaks between the videos, but that's all right. That's all right. uh, nothing nothing satisfies your inner voice, right? My inner voice, it has a lot of problems. It has a lot of shikayat with me, but that's all right. I think I am teaching her to be calm as much as it can be. So today I had a haircut. I made it quite short uh, because I really wanted to have longer hairs, and I had longer hairs. But then there was I was facing this hair fall from past few months, and it was breaking my heart to see all those hairs, and specifically when I'm washing my hairs. So I thought let's cut it down so that at least it won't solve the problem, but yeah, it feel good to get shorter hairs. In longer hairs I feel more sad, but in shorter hairs it's okay. It feels good, and you look pretty. Different. It's different. You know, I had this hairstyle last year in December exactly, not hairstyle, but this much shorter hairs, and today, and this is December, and again I have this. I think this is going to become my to go to thing. All right. So, so I am in Bangalore for quite a while now. I decided to stay here in and hopping people's places, because most of the time what happens is I come here for a very not very but short period of time, like a month, 20 days to a month, and then I realized that finding my own place, it's mostly expensive, very expensive, and then it also doesn't solve a problem much, and then people have lot of expectations, they lot of deposits. I mean, I need a deposit, and then I need to pay a certain amount or for a very small room, and it just doesn't feel right. So this time I decided to hop people's places. The first place has been hopped, and now I'm going to another place. So you know, I usually I usually have become that person, not become that person, but my body has become so used to getting comfortable, live in getting comfortable place, because I have made my place to a certain way. But now, when I am here, when I know that I don't have my own place to be, I decided, and I mentally prepared myself that there might be a chance that you may not get the comfort that you are looking for, that you are used to. So be prepared for it. I think that mindset has certainly changed. Uh, and it has eased in my body, in sense that I am living and hopping multiple people's places. My food times are getting fucked up, and my timings are really, I am leaving office till 10-11 p.m. sometimes, and uh, I I'm okay with it for now, because I know it's for a very short period of time that I am doing it, um, and this is something that I do once or twice a year, so that's okay. That's okay to do that, and that is something that my body is also getting used to, and for the situations when you are not रगड़ देना बॉडी को, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड देन it should not be, it should not, we should test our bodies for something like this. It's very, although it's very comfortable, I don't, it's not something that I will say that a situation where I'm on survival mode. I'm not. I'm living in a very comfortable place, going to a comfortable places and eating very comfortable and good food. What I am trying to say is, whatever I am used to living is not something that I'm getting here, and that is okay. And what is beautiful about it is, now when I'm seeing it, as I am setting my mind to it, my body is also reacting to that, and it is getting comfortable around it. And otherwise I used to feel so tired and so angry with myself, that why am I not eating food on time, or why am I not doing exercise. I haven't did any exercise from past 2 weeks, by the way. It's just few stretches here and there, and that's it. And then why am I working so much? What is the point of having so much money when you are not, taking care of your body and taking care of. So that is correct, completely correct. But then you are setting yourself into a new sort of situation where you have to mold according to the situation, and then your body is also reacting to it, rather than getting frustrated with you. It is getting used to it, and then you are also making some changes around it. Okay, now this is my schedule, how can I make it more according to my own benefits or my own needs. So this is what I'm learning these days. My hand is moving quite a lot. It's because I'm in the car, of course. So yeah, so I think this is what I wanted to share today. This is what I am thinking about a lot, and I'm feeling pretty amazing about it, that yes, it's in your mind. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. It's in your mind. You just have to set your mind to it, and you just have to say it to yourself that you can do it. It's nothing that you cannot. And changing the definition of whatever is for you, whatever worked for you earlier, can really work wonders. So yeah, this is something I wanted to share today. The miner was saying this has become very boring video, and I have taken so much time, and I half of the time I wasn't sure that what I'm saying is actually resonating. But then again, yes, I think it is resonating with the people who have the same feeling like me. So yeah, and this is almost 8 minutes 20 seconds, and I will sign off for now. Maybe I'll record it next video on something else. See you then. Bye.